Yo, young Fully man, 2022 flow. Why these niggas hate? Cause they living basic. All the hoes I pull, all the smoke I smoke. Why these niggas hate? All the hoes I fuck, all the smoke I smoke. Why these niggas hate? Cause they living basic. Cause they living basic. Why these niggas hate? All the hoes I pull. Why these niggas hate? All the hoes I fuck. Why these niggas hate? They sit up too much. Too much. My swag too much. Act bad too much. Show my ass too much. Too much. I act too much. Show my ass too much. Say they set up too much. Yeah. Too much. My swag too much. Act bad too much. Show my ass too much. Yeah. Fully. Man, you know that nigga diving. Fully. Man, you know that nigga diving. Fuck 6 feet, man. Get that nigga 12. You know that nigga down, that nigga hell. Nigga, what you mean? Why you living basic? All the pussy nigga, man, you know they hate. Hey, man, you know they hate. Skate. Why you know they hate? Why these niggas mad? Cause they living basic. All the hoes I pull got these niggas mad. Why these niggas mad? Why these niggas hate? All the smoke I smoke and all the hoes I pull. Why these niggas hate? How I cop the whip, so I'm steady skating. Why these niggas hate? Nigga, I ain't even tripping. He's a mad ass. I'm a gangsta ass nigga, ain't no profit there. Man, these bitches wanna fuck, man, these hoes bummy. They ain't even trying to get no money. How that shit go? Man, you got me knock me off my toes. Man, boy, you got me fucked up. I chill in the crib while I free and save my money, dog, for 3 months, and bitch, I ain't cheap. You fucking with a G, bitch, it ain't no average. Fucking with a gangster, bitch, boy, you talking average. La bitch, you know I'm born a real savage. Shout out Lil Webby, bitch, you know I ain't lied to you. Yeah. Why these niggas hate? Cause they living basic. All the hoes I'm fucking. All that whipped up and copping. All the fucking skating. These niggas mad. Ooh, this shit is so amazing. Why these niggas hating? All the hoes I'm who? All these bitches, man, going all crazy for them. Why these niggas hating? Cause I ain't living basic. Smoking out the weed, dog. Fucking like a Asian.